How to remove background noise from your recordings using Podcastle AI. First things first, you'll need to log into the Podcastle AI website. If you haven't registered yet, don't worry. We've got you covered with another tutorial on how to create a free account, and you'll find the link to it in the description box below. After logging in, navigate to the upper left side of the screen. You'll see a Create button. Click on it, followed by the Project option from the drop-down menu. Now it's time to upload your audio file. You have the option to drag and drop the file here or record a new one. If you're recording a new audio, select your preferred mic from the drop-down menu, and then click the Start Recording button to start recording. Once you've got your recording done or uploaded, simply right-click on your file, select the scissor icon to split out any unwanted parts or dead air from your recording, and delete it. Right-click again on the remaining file, and then use Podcastle's magic feature. Apply Magic Dust AI or Remove Silence for more refined results. Please note that to access this feature, you will need to upgrade your account or purchase a suitable subscription. When that's all done, it's time to download your file. Click the Export button located at the top right corner of the screen. Choose your desired format and quality, and then hit the Export File button. Once the export process is completed, just hit download and save your noise-free and polished file to your computer.